Hey, travel lovers and pina colada sippers. Welcome to Secrets Resort here in Playa Blanca Isla Mujeres here in Mexico. And I'm gonna show you around. I'm staying in a preferred club, 1 king junior suite with a tropical view. I'm gonna show you around this room. We'll talk about what's good about it, what I'd change, and I'll let you know if I would come back. Well, actually first, I'm gonna finish my pina colada and I'm gonna soak in this wonderful tub on my balcony just for a little bit more. But then I promise, I gotcha. Actually, not yet. I really want to soak in this soaking tub just a little bit longer. But then I will take you around, I promise. First thing, I think there's really not that much more. All right, my work here is done. Let's go. Here's my room, a preferred club junior suite corner room with a tropical view. Tropical view makes me a little nervous. It could mean lush greenery or a parking lot with a palm tree. Fingers crossed for lush. Aw, welcome home. Cozy vibes already. Love it. We have key cards here, not wristbands. Gotta admit, I'm not the best at keeping track of key cards. They're like the socks of vacation accessories, constantly vanishing. I see a lot of quality time at the front desk asking for replacements. Oh wow, look at this space, so crisp and fresh. It even smells clean. Oh, that chair, super cool. Will I actually sit in it? Probably not. It's destined to be a stuff holder, but you know, it's nice to have the option. The lamps and the artwork above the bed, totally stunning. I understand that they're all locally handcrafted. Look at that craftsmanship, absolutely gorgeous. And the pillows, plump and fluffy. Yes, I'm a pillow snob and these look promising for a fortress of bedtime comfort. And these crisp white linens, such a classic touch. Ooh, look at this. They've included a bag to carry your stuff around the property. Absolutely perfect if you forgot your beach bag at home. Practical and stylish. Nice. Now, what's this over here? Apples and champagne. Heck yeah, I'm ready to pop that bottle open. Now, I'm not sure if this is standard for the room category or if it's a special gift, but either way, I'm not complaining. Now for the big reveal, that moment of truth, let's check out this tropical view. Big wall. Oh no, am I gonna be staring at a wall from my balcony? Please no. At least the soaking tub looks amazing. I mean, it's huge, spacious enough for two. Come on, there's very romantic potential here. All right, here we go. I see greenery. The balcony's big and inviting. And that couch, it looks like the perfect spot to sip coffee in the morning or wine at night. All right, let's go back to this wall. Let's take a closer look. All right, so it's not just a wall. There's greenery all around it, and you can see the beautiful blue of the swim out suites below. And oh, look, there's a social pool in the distance. And oh wait, is that a glimpse of the ocean? Yes, crisis averted. All right, so this wall does have a cool Mayan ruin vibe, and it does give a bit more privacy. So you know what? I'm sold. This view is actually better than I'd hoped. And what I really like about this particular corner room is that it's on the west end of the building. So that means furthest away from the beach. So on one view in the morning, it's gonna give me a really great view of the sunrise. And then at night, when I go sit on the couch, I'm really gonna have a beautiful view of the sunset. Another bonus about this soaking pool is it's a great place to rinse off my beach stuff so that I don't get sand all over the shower or tub. Let's head back in. I'm really into the sitting area. The unique table shape is clever. It gives the room a spacious feel while still being functional. Those pillows, super inviting. The boho chic minimalistic decor is calming. The soft tones make it feel like I've walked into my own tropical sanctuary. I can already tell this is going to feel like home. I may never want to leave. Look at the ceiling fan. I must ask you, what does it remind you of? All right, let's make our way over to the bathroom and check it out. first thing I want to see is that egg-shaped bathtub. I've been looking forward to this. I just cannot wait to relax in that tub. It just looks luxurious, especially with that private view from the extra window. Both luxurious and peaceful. All right, and check out this shower. Wow, it's huge. Plus, they've stocked it with spa-quality shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in very generously sized bottles. I love that. All right, now let's see what this toilet area is all about. This has a little bit more privacy than the rest of the place, but the door is opaque, and you'll be able to see the light shining behind the door like a giant nightlight. So that's not going to be the greatest if you're with a light sleeper or you are a light sleeper that doesn't like to be disturbed by middle of the night toilet trips. At the vanity, they've got all the essentials covered, plus more. Here they have an incense stick and holder with matches. Yes, please. This is the first time I've seen this in a resort, and I'm definitely going to use that tonight with a soak in the tub. What's here in the tray? We have some soap, toothpaste, a hair comb, that's a dental kit, a shoe mitt, fancy, shave kit. All right, other side, there's more soap. Mosquito repellent, that's a really nice addition. A sewing kit. Shower kit. Shower cap. And a vanity kit. Wow, and a nice huge bottle of lotion. And they did not skimp on the towels. Bonus points for that. The open concept layout of the room is something to note. It's stylish, but definitely not for everyone. Bathroom privacy is minimal. They do have a sliding partition, but it has big slats, so light and, let's be honest, views will easily pass through. That's something to keep in mind if you're traveling with company.
See, you can see right through it. No privacy, none.
The closets are next area to inspect. So right over here by the front door. The automatic light is a nice touch. Inside you'll find 2 robes, 2 pairs of slippers. There's an iron and ironing board, full-sized umbrella, and a luggage rack. Extra pillows are up on top. On to the other side. Up there's an extra blanket, safe. There's a latch on this cubby for extra storage, and down below another cubby. If you're like me, you're gonna wanna know about the outlet situation. Like most luxury resorts, they are minimal. They do have some by each side of the bed and some USB ports in the clock. I mean, not too bad. The outlet does fit US plugs, so no adapter needed. Although that does look weird, it does fit a regular US plug. Let's take a peek at the goodies they've stocked in the room. Over here we've got a little station with M&Ms, chips, Pringles, water. We have our pods for the espresso machine, some creamers, sugars. What's in this cabinet below? Here there's mugs and glasses for our beverages. Now let's go see what treasures the mini fridge holds. That's always fun in an all-inclusive. I see a couple bottles of orange juice, and oh, there were 4 cans of beer, but let's just say I've already made a mission to sample the local brew. Now there's 3. And there's a nice little lineup of sodas and more water. I've seen more impressive in-room drink selections at other resorts, but hey, it's better than an empty fridge, right? I can make this work. Cheers to more options, no matter how limited. Time to break it down. What made me fall in love with this room and what fell a little flat? First off, the room itself is stunning. Beautiful, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. As for that tropical view I was so worried about, it turned out to be a total win. That wall, it felt more like a cozy privacy screen than an eyesore. And even from the second floor, I could still enjoy lush greenery, sparkling pools, and even a sliver of the ocean in the distance. Not too shabby. Having a corner room was another highlight. Hello sunrise and sunset views. The sitting area was perfect for relaxing, but my absolute favorite feature? The soaking tub on the balcony. It was the ultimate indulgence.
Now let's talk about the soaking tub. I cannot say enough good things about the soak pool. I love it. I didn't think I would love it or use it as much as I did, even though I thought it sounded cool. Gotta say, I could spend a lot of time here. This is a nice big balcony. I have gorgeous views. This is a corner room, so I have great views that way and that way. I come here, I read a book, have a drink, and enjoy the resort and the fresh air without having to be around everybody else. Bonus. I knew I would enjoy it maybe once, possibly twice while I was here. But let's just say I'm enjoying it a whole lot more than I thought I would. This is really great. I've been coming up here like in the middle of the day when the social pool gets really crazy and I'm a little peopled out. This is a great spot to still have some water time, still be in the fresh air, but enjoying the peace and quiet of my own soaking tub. I love it here. I've used it in the morning, I've used it in the afternoon, I've used it at night. This is a really great feature in a room and worth the upgrade. At least in my opinion, I would totally get this room again.
And the staff, absolutely top-notch, friendly, helpful, and always making me feel welcome and safe.
One of the people that truly makes secrets magical is Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Daniel has done so much to help us. He's helped us get our bags together. He's on top of it all. He knows our room numbers. He makes us feel safe and taken care of. So thank you so much, Daniel. You've been fabulous. Thank you.
What could have been better? Honestly, for me, the only downfalls were the selection of the in-room drinks and snacks. I would have liked to have had more to choose from, and I also would have liked to have a bit more privacy between the bathroom and living area. I mean, neither one of those are deal breakers for me, but those were my least favorite things about the room.
The question is the preferred club worth the upgrade? Yes or no, it really depends on you. When you book a preferred club level room, you do get a few extra perks. You get an extra breakfast place. Normally for the whole entire place, there's one buffet for breakfast, but when you have a preferred club room, you do also get an extra breakfast over at Seaside Grill. You also get an extra beach bar. There's one beach bar that anybody can use, and then there's the preferred club side. There's also a preferred club lounge that you can use. It has drinks. There's even a special little air-conditioned room where you can go in, cool off. They have little hors d'oeuvres and snacks. It's really nice, and they're very accommodating. Butler is right there. Second I walked in, he was over within a minute or two handing me a refreshing drink.
What was really extra special is I went into the lounge early one morning before sunrise, and I saw that they had these battery-powered candles that you can take with you to create an ambiance, whether on the beach or on your room or anywhere that you want to take it on the property.
Oh, you also get an extra pool. It's an infinity pool. There are 2 infinity pools here, but the preferred club can use the regular one, but they also have their own infinity pool with an additional hot tub that they can use. We can use, because I'm part of that club. You also get butler service.
I honestly did not really use or see the butler very much.
One thing that I found out today that I didn't really know before was that when you do have a preferred club room, you also get a free included hydrotherapy spa session. I know, right? Cool. I didn't know about that. So I'm doing that tomorrow. So the question is the preferred club worth the upgrade? Yes or no, it really depends on you. If you want the extra pool, hot tub, and bar access, great. Then it's for you. If you want the preferred lounge access and that's important to you, then yes. The hydrotherapy, now that, to me, that's a game changer. The other things I'm like, you know what, I can do without it. I mean, maybe if it's busy, the extra pool and hot tub access could be good because it gives you an opportunity to have more space to find a chair, because that can be hard at an all-inclusive resort. You know, people are up at ungodly hours saving their chairs, so if you're not on the ball, you're not going to have a chair. If you want the extra a la carte breakfast menu as opposed to the buffet, the Market Cafe, then that's good. And if you love spa sessions, if you want a hydrotherapy spa session, that's included in your rate. So it depends. If any of those things that are included make you go yes, then yeah, then it's worth it. But if not, none of that matters to you, then nah, it's not worth the upgrade.
So what do you think? Does this room check off all your boxes? I'd love to know what stood out, something you loved or maybe something you weren't so crazy about. Would you book this room? Or have you stayed at Secrets Playa Blanca Isla Mujeres before? If you have, I'd love to hear about your experience, what you liked, what you didn't, and any tips you'd share with fellow travelers. Let's chat about it in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, entertaining, or even just a little inspiring for your next getaway, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support and feedback mean the world to me and really keep me motivated to bring you more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to hear your thoughts.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.